Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revolution. So today we're going to make a crunchy and vitamin A rich delicious carrot salad that can go with chicken roast or fish curries, etc. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So to start with, here I have taken few carrots. Let's peel and wash them. All those who are fussy about eating a carrot salad, this is a must try one because you will really love it. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. So as you're seeing in this video, thinly slice the carrots. Once you finish slicing, stack them and then cut them into thin strips. This is one method. You can also use the julienne to cut carrot into thin strips. So our carrot strips are ready. Keep this aside. Next, for the salad we need an onion. Just one onion. Cut them into half. Remove its head and then slice it into thin strips as shown in this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more healthy, easy and simple recipes. Next, we have taken a tomato. Cut the tomato into half, remove its head and then again cut this into thin strips. After this, I'll be adding fresh sprig of curry leaves. I had already cleaned and washed these curry leaves. Now fold them like this and then cut them into small strips. Next, I've taken one green chili. You can increase or decrease the quantity of green chili as per your spice tolerance. So the chopping part is over. Now let's start assembling the salad. Here I've taken the carrot strip. Let us add them into a bowl. Next, we'll add the chopped onions, sliced tomatoes, finely chopped green chilies and curry leaves. Now to this we'll add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Coconut oil will add to the health quotient of the salad. It is source of healthy fat. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Here I've used coconut vinegar. You can also use a normal vinegar or even lemon juice instead of this vinegar. Now mix the salad really well. All the juices from the vegetables should come out and it should become soft. This is an extremely simple salad. There are not much complicated ingredients in this, but at the same time it is healthy as well as extremely delicious. You can enjoy the salad with roasted chicken, fish curry, mango curry, Thai curry, etc. It goes well with spicy and tangy combination. I hope you all liked this crunchy salad recipe. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please do also like and share this video. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.